Meghna, Amal, Raina, Helvina, Ashish, Hanna, switch on the video. Okay. Write the first question, that is, write the output of the following. Is it completed? Meghna?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Write the first question. Write the output of the following. S1 is equal to PD dot series 14 comma index is equal to ABC. Print S1. All of you switch on the video. Grishma, switch on the video. Lydia, Evelyn, Amal, Anthony, all of you switch on the video. Write the first question only, okay. Write the output of the following. S1 is equal to PD dot series 14 comma index is equal to ABC. Print S1. Anthony, Sneha, switch on the video. Sneha, Irfan, Grishma, switch on the video. Sneha, read the result. Sneha. Hadi, switch on the video. Irfan, switch on the video. Okay, Ashish, read the result.
A40,
14.
B40, C40.
Yes. It is index values are A, B and C. So first I will write A, B, C. These are the three index values. Then only one value is there. What is the name of this value? Hanna? It is a scalar value. Okay. This series creation is based on scalar value or constant value. Okay. So here only one data value is there, but we are using three index values. So first you write the index value, that is A, B, C. 14 is assigned for these three index values. Okay, same 14 is assigned for A, B and C. And one more answer is there. D type. D type it is int 64 because here we are using integer value. Okay. So the number of elements is related with the number of index values in the index. Okay. If I am using 4 index values, number of elements in that series it is 4. If I am using 10 index values here, then the number of elements included in this series it is 10. Okay. So the number of elements included in a series is based on the index value. Here I am giving only one data value. The meaning is the series include only one value. That is not correct. Okay. Here only one data value is there, but I am using 3 index values. So number of elements included in series it is 3. Is it clear? Okay. So write the second question. It is write the output of the following. S1 is equal to PD dot series 14 7 9. Index is equal to range 1 4 1. Print S1. This is the first question. This is the second question. This is the third question. Write the second question. Write the output of the following. S1 is equal to PD dot series 14, 7, 9. Index is equal to range of 1, 4, 1. Lydia, read the answer.
Index values 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And data value 14, 7, 9.
Index value is here. The index value is range of 1, 4, 1. Okay. What is the meaning of 1, 4, 1? Hadi? What is 1, Hadi? Here 3 values are used. What is the meaning of that 3 values?
The first number.
First, that is 4.
1 is the first number.
Okay, it is the starting value. Then what is 4?
Till 4.
That is 4 is the stop value. Then 1?
1 will be increased after each number.
Yes, correct, Hadi. So a range of 1, 4, 1, it is 4 index values. So the index value is starting from 1. So I will first write 1. After that 1 is incremented. So next value it is 2. After 2 again 1 is incremented. So the next value is 3. And this is the stop value. We are not including this 4 in index because in the case of range we are excluding the stop value. The stop value is excluded in the case of range function. So the index values are 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then PD dot series, the data values are 14, 7 and 9. And one more output is there. It is D type. It is int 64. Okay. Then write the next question. Third question, it is what will be returned by the following statements. What will be returned by the following statements? Here, this is the name of the series. Okay, I will just write the name of the series here. This is not the index name. I will just write the name of series. Here the series name is S, not the index name. Values of the series are 2, 5 and 8 and index values are 0, 1, 2. Then what is the result of S into 100 and also S greater than 0? Raina completed? Okay. Vidur, read the first answer. S into 100.
0, 200,
Okay.
1, 500, 2, 800.
Correct, Vidur. That is, index value is same for all the answers. That is, if we are using S into 100, index value 0, 1, 2, there is no change for index values. Okay, we are just multiplying 100 with data values. Here, these are the data values. There is no change for index value. We will just multiply 100 with the data values. Here the data values are 2, 5 and 8. Okay, data values are 2, 5 and 8. So 2 into 100, that is 200. 5 into 100, 500. 8 into 100, 800. And also write the data type, it is D type int 64. Okay. Amal, read the next answer.
Ma'am, it will be with
0,
0, 2,
true. Then
1, 5, 1,
what is the meaning of this x greater than or equal to 0? Elvina?
To checking whether it is true by Boolean.
It will return a Boolean value as result after comparison. Okay. So, in s greater than 0, it will first take the first value of s. The first value is 2. So, it will check 2 greater than 0. It's a correct statement, isn't it? 2 is greater than 0. So, the answer it is true. Then, next value is 5. So, it will check 5 greater than 0. This case also the answer is true. Then after that 8. 8 greater than 0. Here also the answer is true. Meenakshi, what is the D type here? It is? It's not clear, Meenakshi. Bold. Okay. So here we are using greater than operator. So if you are using a greater than operator or any relational operator with this series, it will compare each and every value, and if the comparison is correct, then it will return a true value as result. Otherwise, it will return false value as result. Okay. So, if we are using true and false value for this relational operator comparison, the result of data value it is true or false. So, the data type D type of true or false it is bool. Okay. D type of true or false it is bool. Okay. Another question it is S greater than 2. S greater than 2. Raina, read the result.
First one true.
First one true. Yes, it is 2. So it will check 2 greater than 2. Is 2 is greater than 2, Raina?
No, equal.
No. Then what is the result?
False.
It is false. Okay. So you just write using pen or pencil. You can just write like this. For checking s greater than 2, first you check 2. First value it is 2. So 2 greater than 2. It is not a correct statement. So it is false. Okay. Then take the second one. Raina. What is the result here? 5 greater than 2. Is this 5 is greater than 2? Anjo? Anjo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about this answer? 5 greater than 2?
False.
Is it false?
No, ma'am.
This opening, for understanding the concept, this opening side include higher value. Okay. You just think like that. Okay. This opening side is for higher value. Okay. 5 greater than 2. You check the opening side. If the opening side include a higher value, that means it is correct statement. Okay. 5 greater than 2. Here 5 is greater than 2. The answer is correct. So here the answer is true. Sneha? Sneha? Okay, Grishma. What about the next one? 8 is greater than 2. Here the answer is true. Okay. Okay. Then D type is again it is bool. Okay. Then another question. Yes, equal to 5. Yes, equal to 5. Anthony, read the answer. S equal to 5. Anthony, switch on the video. Okay, Irfan. Irfan, switch on the video. I will not give attendance. Those who are not attending, answering my question.
Ma'am, false.
First one it is false. Okay. That is 2 equal to 5 is a false statement. So it is false. Then what about the next one?
Second, true.
Second one it is true because 5 equal to 5. It is a true statement. So it is true. What about the next one?
False.
It is false. What is the data type, Irfan? D type. D type for true and false. Irfan? D type for true and false. Hanna, what is the D type for true and false? Bool. It is bool. Okay. So this relational operator comparison is clear. So these are some questions based MCQ questions based on our Python Pandas chapter. So any doubt related with this exam PT2 portions? All of you switch on the video. Any doubt? I want to explain any topics once again. Any doubt related with any of the topic? Anyone? Any topic is difficult for you? No. Okay, we can continue the data frame topics. Okay. So if any doubt, you just message. Okay. So take the topic that is data frame attributes. We are discussing about size, isn't it? The last attribute, it is size.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So size attribute is used to find the number of elements present in the series data frame. Okay. Size is the attribute. How we will write this? Print df dot size. Df dot size. And first I will write that data frame, that is data frame, it is accountancy, then IP, economics, then English, then 2018, 2019, 2020. Here the values are 85.4, 88.2, 80.3. So this is the data frame. Okay. What is data frame? Data frame means it's a 2D array. It's a 2D array. We can use heterogeneous values in data frame data structure. And in the case of heterogeneous means we can store any type of values here. In a single data frame data structure, we can use integer value, float value, string value, any value we can use. That is heterogeneous. So here I am using data structure. Here the row name. Okay, this is the column name. Accountancy, IP and economics are the row names, and here 2018, 2019, 2020 are the column names. Okay. In the case of data structure, it's a 2D structure. So we have names for row and column also. So the name of column here, it is 2018, 2019 and 2020. So this is name of column 2018, 2019, 2020. Here row names are accountancy, IP, economics and English. Okay. Then we are talking about the size, that is print df dot size. The size attribute is used to display the number of elements present in the data frame data structure. Okay. It is calculated by, how we can calculate size, Elvina?
Number of rows and the number of columns.
Yes, number of rows into number of columns. So size is calculated using how many number of rows are there, that into number of columns present in that data frame. Here how many rows are there, Lydia? How many rows? Lydia? Okay, Amal? Okay, Lydia, how many rows are there in
Four.
this data frame?
4,
4. How many columns?
3,
Three.
4.
3. It is 3. That is the values. This is the row names. Okay. So we doesn't calculate this for column number. Okay. Here this column is for naming the rows. Okay. We use only the values. So here first column, second column, third column. The columns with column name heading, that we will consider. Okay. So 2018 is the first column, 2019 is the second column, 2020 is the third column. Okay. So here we are using 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. And 4 rows, 1. We are not using this one for row representation. This is the column heading. Column heading. Okay. So this is the first row, this is the second row, this one is third, and this one is the last row, fourth row. Okay. This row is for representing column name, and this column is for representing row name. Okay. So here it includes, this data frame includes number of row, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there, into number of column it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. So size of this data frame data structure, it is 12. It is calculated by number of rows into number of column. When we calculate the number of row, or when we count the number of row, there is no need of counting this column name. And also if you are counting the column, there is no need of counting the row name column. Then you just calculate number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements are there. Okay. So size is the attribute that is used to count the number of elements present in the data frame data structure. Okay. So the equation, it is number of rows into number of columns. Here we are using 4 rows. So 4 into 3, the answer it is 12. Okay. Then the next one, it is shape. Shape attribute. Shape attribute is also used for finding the size, but it will represent number of rows and number of columns separately. Okay. Shape is used for displaying size in the form of number of rows and number of columns separately. In the case of size, we are just finding the total number of elements present in the data frame. In the case of shape, it will display how many rows are there? 4. How many columns? It is 3. It will separately display the number of rows and column when we are using this shape. When we are using size attribute, it will display total number of elements present in the data frame. Okay. So it is number of rows into number of column. Is it clear? Then next it is df dot shape. Shape is used for representing number of rows first, then number of columns. So here we are using 4 rows. So first it will appear 4, comma, then number of column 1, 2, 3 columns are there. So the answer it is 3. It will just display within round bracket. These brackets are very important. Okay, 4, comma 3. So df dot shape, shape is used for representing number of rows and number of columns separately. Size is for representing total number of elements present in that data frame. Okay. Then the next attribute, it is endim. What is endim? It is also in series. Anyone, what is endim?
Dimensions.
Dimension. In the case of series, what is the value of endim? Meghna? In the case of series, if I am using print s dot endim, what is the result?
Return number of dimensions.
What is the result?
1.
1. Correct, Meghna. That is, in series it is a one-dimensional array. Okay, series it is one-dimensional array. So it will return the value 1. Okay. Then in the case of data frame data structure, we are using two-dimensional array. Okay, here we are using rows and columns. That means it is two-dimensional array. So endim will return the result 2. Okay. In the case of data frame data structure, endim will return a value 2. Always the value of endim is 2 if we are using 2D array. Okay. You can use 3-dimensional array also for creating data frame data structure, but in your syllabus we are only we are only dealing with this 2D array. So always the answer of df dot endim is 2 in the case of data frame data structure and 1 in the case of series data structure. In the case of series data structure, the value of endim is 1 because series is a 1D array. Then in the case of data frame data structure, the value is 2 because data frame data structure is a 2D array. Is it clear? Is it clear, Hannah? Okay. So endim is used to find the dimension of the data frame, that is whether it is 1D, 2D or 3D. In the case of data frame data structure, the answer is 2 because here we are using a two-dimensional data structure, data frame data structure. Okay. Then write the next one, it is empty. Empty, this is also in series. What is the use of empty, Donna?
To find the missing value.
Missing value. It is used for checking if the data frame data structure is empty or not. Okay. It is used for checking if the data frame data structure is empty or not. This is also this will also return a bool value as result, that is either true or false. The result of empty attribute, it is either true or false based on the checking. Okay. Empty, it is empty will return two values, that is either true or false. That is, it will return Boolean result based on the checking. If the data frame data structure is empty, it will return true value. If there is a value in this data frame data structure, it will return false value. Okay.